So if you're like me, you have your operating system and then you install a lot of your Steam games on an SSD. So I was having the issue where a lot of my games were showing up as uninstalled, even though they were installed on my external hard drive. And when you clicked on them, like for example, Halo's on my SSD, it was asking me to reinstall it. Like it wasn't detecting it properly, and I found a fix for it. And all it was that you go into the SSD, and this file where your Steam apps common is and all that, go back up to the top level here, and it probably will be called Steam, not Steam Library. Just rename it Steam Library with capital L, and then now it's detecting everything that was installed on my SSD. So that worked for me as a fix, so give it a shot.